Mass tort is definitely a specialized area of the practice within personal injury. And so most people, when they hear personal injury, they think of auto wrecks, medical malpractice, and those are obviously ranging of complexity for personal injury. Mass tort is a specialty in a couple of ways. People often confuse mass tort with class action, because when you say mass, obviously by definition you have a large number of plaintiffs in the group. And so it's usually the difference between a mass tort and a class action. It's a question you get from clients all the time. Is a lot of times they even assume that they're part of a class and not a mass tort. The difference between the two is mass torts may have commonalities against the defendant, but everything that's involved in them is individualized with regards to a particular plaintiff's medical history or something unique about that particular plaintiff's history. So for instance, if you have a case where the drug allegedly causes cancer, well, while you can litigate against Pfizer, and there are commonalities among who's Pfizer director of regulatory was, who the head of clinical affairs was, who their marketing director was, so you don't want to take that discovery against 10,000 individual plaintiffs, and the defendant doesn't either. So what happens is that you may litigate against the defendant and do discovery against that particular defendant, but the individual trial or individual workup of the case still requires specifics for an individual plaintiff. What was that individual plaintiff's medical history? How long did that individual plaintiff take that particular drug? What's that particular plaintiff's medical history? And so that's the primary difference between a class action, where you pick a representative of the class and that person or persons represents the entire universe or the entire body of people who all fall into the same condition.
We want to answer your questions. Contact us at 1-877-MyAdvocates or visit us at myadvocates.com.